panel, right rear quarter panel, and turn him into the outside wall.
There's a whole lot of nudging going on in there.
Yeah. Maybe a little more than that.
Damp it up again. Keep coming there. They get one up out of the groove, couple out of the groove. Stay low, stand up bottom, start the very bottom, go way low, way low, way low, way low, way low, way low, way low. Inside, keep coming. And come on, come on. Outside clear.
Way low, way low, way low, high, 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 high. How do you sort through all that running 100 miles an hour? Cameron Haley right in the middle of that. The 13 truck gets by Ben Kennedy with an amazing job to avoid Cole Custer.
Ben Kennedy did the best job ever of missing a wreck. Turning right on the straightaway it'll just whip your truck around. He was able to pull to the right just enough to miss the spinning truck of Custer.